Why do smart people make terrible money decisions? It's not about math. It's not about income. It's about something happening in your brain right now that keeps you stuck in financial chaos, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Your brain is lying to you about money, not sometimes, every single day. And these lies are why brilliant people stay broke while average earners build wealth. I'm going to show you 5 psychological traps that hijack your financial decisions. Then I'll give you the exact systems to override your broken brain wiring. This isn't about budgeting harder or earning more. This is about understanding the psychology of broke and rewiring it permanently. Stanford's famous marshmallow test. Kids who waited got 2 treats. Kids who didn't got 1. The waiters succeeded later in life. But here's what they got wrong. Your brain values present rewards at twice the rate of future rewards. Neuroscience proves it. $1 today literally feels better than $2 next year. This is present bias. It's why you buy now and regret later. It's why retirement feels imaginary while that new phone feels urgent. Override trick. Automate all future thinking. Set up autosave so you never choose between now and later. The choice is already made. Self can't sabotage your future self. Schedule every financial decision in advance. Bill pays automatically. Investments happen automatically. Savings transfers automatically. Remove choice. Remove bias. Losing $100 hurts twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. This is loss aversion, and it's destroying your wealth. You refuse to sell losing investments because selling means admitting defeat. So you hold garbage stocks, hoping they'll recover. They don't. You keep too much cash because investing feels like losing access to your money. Even though inflation guarantees you're losing purchasing power. Override trick. Reframe investing as buying future purchasing power. You're not losing money. You're converting it into a stronger form. Like exchanging dollars for euros in a favorable market. Use stop losses on investments. Pre-commit to selling if they drop 10%. The decision is made when you're calm, not panicking. You treat money differently based on where it came from. Tax refund, free money, spend it, bonus, extra, blow it, inheritance, sacred, never touch it. This is mental accounting. $1 is $1. But your brain sorts them into imaginary buckets with different rules. You get a $2,000 tax refund and buy a TV, but you wouldn't pull $2,000 from savings for that same TV. Same money, different bucket, different decision. Override trick. All money goes to the same place first. Every dollar enters your main account. Then you allocate intentionally. No special treatment for windfalls. Create a rule. 50% of any windfall goes to investments. 30% to debt or goals. 20% to fun. Every time. No exceptions. Your neighbor gets a new BMW. Suddenly, your perfectly good car feels inadequate. You don't even want a BMW. You just don't want to feel behind. Social media amplifies this by 1,000. Everyone's highlight reel becomes your expectation. their vacation, their kitchen renovation, their passive income lifestyle. Override trick. Calculate your actual net worth monthly. Not to compare to others, to compare to your past self. Growth is the only metric that matters. Create a personal vision board, physical, visible, your actual goals, not society's. When you feel the comparison urge, look at your board. Does this purchase serve your vision? Unfollow accounts that trigger spending. Curate your feed like your portfolio. Only inputs that serve your growth. When you feel poor, you make poor decisions. Scarcity mindset literally reduces your cognitive capacity. It's been proven in studies. Poverty taxes your brain. Okay, you stockpile sale items you don't need because what if? You grab the first job offer because fear of having nothing. Okay, you never negotiate because you're grateful for crumbs. Override trick. Abundance journaling sounds woo-woo. Works scientifically. Write 3 opportunities you have daily, 3 skills, 3 resources. Your brain shifts from scarcity to possibility. Practice negotiation on small things. Coffee shop remakes, utility bills. Build the muscle. Scarcity says, don't rock the boat. Abundance says, I deserve fair value. Invest in skills that multiply options. One high-income skill eliminates scarcity permanently. The investment feels scary when you're broke. It's the only way out. Present bias. Loss, aversion, mental accounting, social proof, scarcity mindset. 5 psychological traps. 5 override systems. You don't need more willpower. You need better systems. Your brain is hardware. These are the software patches. If this resonated, subscribe. I drop weekly psychology-backed finance strategies, not theory, that work with your brain, not against it. Which trap gets you most? Comment below. I'll reply with personalized override strategies. Let's rewire our brains together.